So hi guys, my name is Jason and today we're gonna be discussing about accounting equation. So I'm not a professional, I'm just here to share my knowledge and I'm just doing this for fun. So if you have any suggestion for uh for me to improve this, I'll gladly take that in a positive way. Okay, so let us start now without further ado. Our topic for today would be the accounting equation. Okay. So, before we tackle the literal accounting equation, let us define some terms first. So, the first one would be the assets. So, when we say asset, it is something that an entity owns or controls in order to derive economic benefit from its use. Okay? So, napakadali lang niya intindihan. Pag sinabi nating assets, ito yung mga pagmamay-ari ng business. Okay? Mga bagay na pagmamay-ari ng business. Okay. And yung pagmamay-ari na yon, merong exclusive control, no? Over that specific thing or over that asset, yung business. And there's also future economic benefits that can be derived over that asset. Okay? So anong example, no? Anong pinakamagandang example or pinakamadaling example na mabibigay ko? So sa sari-sari store nyo, no? Kung may sari-sari store kayo, okay. So, yung asset na meron kayo is yung mga binebenta nyo. Okay? So, for example, yung Berg brand na gatas na binebenta nyo, or for example, yung mga soft drinks or yung mga chicherya, no, na part ng inventory nyo ng sari-sari store nyo. So, that is an example of asset. Okay? So, another one would be the refrigerator, no? Yung ginagamit nyo para magbenta kayo ng yelo, okay? Or palamigin yung mga soft drinks na binebenta nyo. No? Okay? So, that is also an example of asset. Okay? Naintindihan ba? So bakit pala sila no naging example ng asset no? So asset sila kasi something you own and meron kang exclusive control doon and there's a future economic benefit that can be derived no over that asset. Okay? So ganun. Napakadali lang niya. So next one would be the liability. So a liability is an obligation that a business owes to someone. Its settlement involves a transfer of cash or other resources or economic resource. Okay? So when we say liability, no, napakadali niya intindihin kasi pag sinabi nating liability, ito yung mga utang, no? Utang ng business. Okay? So literally utang siya, no? Kumbaga umutang yung business kaya siya nagkaroon ng liability, no? Okay? So anong example ng liability? Okay? So one example is kapag sa sari-sari store nyo ulit, no? May supplier ka na mga binebenta mo, no? For example, mga binebenta mo, yung ayun nga, kagaya ng kanina, Bear Brand, mga ganon. Yung literal na laman ng sari-sari store. And yung supplier mo, sabi mo, pwede bang may umutang ka muna sa kanya no, ng isang bulto ng paninda na babayaran mo na lang sa end of the month, no? So, basically, meron kang liability or utang dun sa supplier mo. And to settle, no, or para ma-distinguish or para ma-extinguish rather yung liability mo, no, there should be a transfer, no, of your economic resource, no. Kumbaga, babayaran mo siya para ma-settle yung utang mo or yung liability mo. It could be a cash or other economic resource na meron ka based sa ano, depende 'yun sa agreement nyo. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Totally understandable lang. So, next would be the equity. So, when you say equity, it is what the business owes to its owners. It reflects the residual claims of the owner. So, basically, yung equity is ito yung investment, no? Or yung investment ng owner dun sa business. So, uh, Ah, in a way 'no, ito yung utang ng business sa owner, okay? So, kasi nangyayari yung ano, yung equity or nagkakaroon ng equity yung ano, yung business, I mean yung owner kasi, nag-invest siya 'no, may parte siya dun sa business na yon. So for example, no, nagsisimula ka pa lang ng sari-sari store mo, okay, naisipan mo mag-invest ng pangunang puhunan na 10,000, no? So yung 10,000 na yun is um, ayun yung ano, yung utang sa'yo ng business, no? Okay? That is your residual claims dun sa business. So, ganun. Ganun siya kadali. Ganun yung ibig sabihin ng equity. Okay? So, ganun siya, yung basic elements, no, of accounting equation, the assets, liability, and equity. Okay? Tatandaan nyo yan, guys. So, before we uh before I show you the literal accounting equation, I want you guys to see, no, and observe this picture. Okay? So, anong nakikita nyo, no? So, si Manong, no, may dala-dala siyang, anong tawag yan? Parang timbangan na may pantay, no, na laman. Okay? So, ang gusto niya is ilagay yung tatlong sako. Yung tatlong sako na yun is may laman na equity, may laman na liabilities, and may laman na assets, no? And gusto niya is pantay pa rin, no? Hindi siya matutumba or hindi siya ma balance. Okay? So, ang ginawa niya is nilagay niya yung assets, no, sa isang side, and yung liabilities and equity pinagsama niya sa isang side. And that is our accounting equation. So, kung makikita nyo, this is our accounting equation. So, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Okay? So, ayan yung pinaka dapat nyong tatandaan at wag na wag yung kakalimutan if you are studying accounting or if you are studying business-related course or program. Okay? So, assets equals to asset equals liability plus equity. Okay, that is our accounting equation. Okay, so there's another equation, no, that can be derived from that accounting equation. So for example, if liability is missing, no, this is the formula, no, asset minus equity, no, to find the liability or to find how much liability we have. If equity naman is missing, you just have to deduct liability from assets. So, assets minus liability equals to equity. Okay? So, paano naman, no, kapag walang utang yung business? So, basically, ganun lang siya. Equity is equals or equity is equal to assets, no? Kasi walang utang yung business. Okay? So, with that, no, ganun yung lesson natin. Napakadali lang. Basic accounting equation. Actually, meron pang expanded version to, pero I'm gonna discuss it for the next video. So, before we end this, let us apply what have we learned. I mean, let us apply kung ano yung natutunan natin, no? Okay? So, I have here some exercises that you can try, guys. So here, so I want you to answer this, guys. So I'm gonna let you have some time to pause the video and screenshot it and answer it. Okay, and pause a minute. Okay, I'm gonna count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I'm gonna assume na na-screenshot nyo na and na-answeran nyo na. And ayun, sabayan nyo ako, guys. Tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot nyo, no? And we're gonna explain, no, kung paano to sasagutan. Okay? So, number 1, no, meron tayong assets, no, na 800,000 and may liabilities tayo na 400,000. And ang missing is equity, no? So, paano natin siya i-solve? So, using our formula kanina, no, dito, sabi dito, kapag equity yung nawawala, we're gonna use this formula, no? Assets minus liability. Okay? So, we're gonna use that. Equity equals assets minus liability. So, from this, our assets is 800,000. Okay? So, i-minus natin yung liabilities natin na 400,000 And we will have, okay, nagloko. Wait lang. Okay, ayaw niya na may comma. Okay, so 800,000 minus 400,000, we have 400,000 equity. Okay, totally understandable and basic. Napakadali lang. Okay, hindi mo na kailangang mag-isip. So, next one is number 2. Meron tayong liabilities na 250,000 and meron tayong equity na 300,000. And once again, kapag asset ang hinahanap, we will use our general accounting equation, which is assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. Okay? So, to do that, we're gonna add liabilities, which is 250,000 plus our equity na 300,000, and we will have, okay, so medyo nagulo siya. Okay, why is it like this? Okay, okay, wait lang guys. Actually, alam ko naman na, pero for the sake of example, let us use this formula. So ayaw niya, no? We're just gonna use our brain, no, to solve this. So 300,000 plus 250,000, that would be 550,000. Okay, tama ba ako guys? Baka mali yung ano ko, no? Computation ko sa utak ko. Okay, 550,000 na asset. Okay, nakuha nyo ba? Same ba tayo ng answer, no? 250,000 plus 300,000, meron tayong 550,000. Okay? So, tama ba tayo? So, next, number 3 is meron tayong assets na 1,600,000 and meron tayong equity na 1,100,000. So, ang inahanap dito is magkano yung liability. So, to get the liability, we will use the formula here na diniscuss natin kanina, no? Which is liabilities is equals to asset minus equity. Okay? Equals to asset minus equity. Okay? So, our assets is 1,600,000. Okay, let's ask 1,600,000. Then, we're gonna deduct the equity to get the liability. Okay, so our liabilities for this number, which is number 3, is 500,000. Okay, same ba kayo ng answer guys? So, ang galing. Next one is same, no, sa number 2, no? Ang hinahanap dito is assets. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung general accounting equation na assets equals to liabilities plus equity. Okay? So, to get that, 475,000 plus 625,000, magkano ba, no? So, using my basic brain calculator, no? 400,000 plus 600,000, 1 million, and 75 plus 25, that would be 100, I mean 1,100,000. Okay? That's our assets. And ayan yung missing, no? Yung assets natin. Okay, same ba kayo ng answer? Same ba tayo? Okay, so our last for this section or for this problem solving, this. Meron tayong 850,000 assets and meron tayong 525,000 na equity. So, magkano yung liabilities natin, no? Gagamitin natin tong same formula. So, liabilities equals to assets minus equity. That would be assets 850,000 minus 525,000. Meron tayong 325 na liabilities. Okay, nakuha ba? Same ba tayo ng answer? I hope na same tayo ng answer. Ang gagaling nyo guys. Okay? So, last but not the least, no, there's a problem solving. Okay? Na kailangan nating sagutan. Okay? So, I'm gonna let you guys pause again and answer this. So, I'm gonna back. Wait lang. Kita ba? Okay, okay. So, after a minute, no, or I'm gonna count again of 1 to 5. Then, after that, I'm gonna answer it and let us compare our answer, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, first problem. So, let us, ano muna, no? So, ang tips ko guys, kapag accounting problem solving yung sasagutan nyo, ang una nyong basahin is kung ano yung hinahanap, no? So, for this case, ang hinahanap is yung economic resource. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating economic resource, no? Ano yan? Ang meaning yan is yung asset yung hinahanap. Okay? So, ayun yung tips ko sa inyo guys. Kapag problem solving, unahin yung hanapin kung ano yung hinahanap. Or unahin yung alamin kung ano yung hinahanap. So, it is stated here, the economic obligation of a business amount to 60,000. Okay, economic obligation. No? Ibig sabihin, liability yan. And its residual interest amount to 150,000. Yung residual interest, ibig sabihin, ay yung residual claim no, ng owners or equity yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap is asset. So, to solve that, we will use our general accounting formula, which is assets equals to liabilities plus equity. Okay? So, our liabilities amount to 60,000. Then, our equity is 150,000. So, our assets is equals to, wait, 160,000 plus 60,000 plus 150,000. Oh, wait. It's not working because I've done this. Okay, so meron tayong assets, no? Na? Okay, dito ka sa gilid, no? Na 210,000. Okay, same ba tayo ng answer? Okay, so sana same tayo ng answer, no? Ito yung inahanap natin, no? Economic resource. Resource of business. Okay? Meron tayong 210,000 na economic resource ng business. So, next is the economic resource of business amount to 555,000. Okay? So, ibig sabihin may asset daw yung business, no, na 555,000 and its economic obligation amounted to 225,000. Ayun daw yung liability niya, no? And meron daw siyang ano daw yung residual interest. Okay? Ang hinahanap dito is equity. So, to solve that again, we will use the equity formula, which is equity is equals to asset minus liability. Okay, so equity is equals to, meron tayong assets na 555,000 plus, minus 225,000. So, meron tayong equity na magkano? 555 minus 225. Okay. Meron tayong 330,000 na equity or residual interest. Okay? So, same ba tayo ng answer, no? Sana pareho tayo ng answer, no? Gagaling. So, this one, no? The last question. Okay. I would leave it to you guys. No? You can put your answer in the comment section. And this would conclude no our discussion about basic of accounting equation. So I will discuss the expanded version of this on the next video lesson. So I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, guys. Once again, my name is Jason, and this is my accounting tutorial. Okay, and I'm doing this just for fun. Okay, so peace out.